What's up guys, it's Willy. We're going to do a little wheel video on the RSX Type-S today. I bought these wheels about 6 months ago from Fitment Industries. They're the Konig Ampliforms 17x8 with like a plus 38 offset, I believe, in the bronze finish, 5x114. I had them for about 4 months, drove on them, washed them regularly, and then one time, about a month ago, I was washing them with that purple Meguiar's wheel cleaner. I just applied it, waited a couple minutes, and then rinsed it off. And when I did that, I noticed some of the black finish on the center caps just kind of flaked away. Like very easily too. I didn't do any contact with a brush or anything. It just all washed away. So I reached out to Fitment Industries, who got in touch with Konig for me. And Konig replied saying that they have had problems in the past with Meguiar's wheel cleaners taking off their finishes. So they were nice enough to send out a new set of center caps for my wheels, all 4 of them. Let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys. Always cut towards yourself, kids. I hope there's 4 in there. Seems slim. Looks like just one. Yep, it's just one.
They sent just one.
Yes, they did.
Wow.
Thanks, guys.
Maybe we got 4 more boxes coming? Or 3 more?
Oh, there goes 2 of the screws in the grass. Sweet, now I only have 3 bad center caps.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
Make it 4. Hell yeah. Ready?
Yeah, I've been filming.
You've been rolling this whole time, brother?
Yeah.
Alright, well, we left off like 12 years ago. No. It wasn't that long. It was only a week. Alright, we left off with realizing we only had 1 center cap, but Fitment got back to Konig for me and was like, yo, where the other 3 at? So apparently they're supposed to be in here. Sounds like there might be 3, but if there's only 1 in here, oof, buddy. My hands are cold. It's like winter right now. Ooh, it's packed full, baby, all 3.
What they give me?
They gave me a packing slip this time, so that's cool. Let's take a look-ski here. Ooh, they spelled my name wrong. Thanks, Konig. Ordered 3, shipped 3. Kind of nervous because it says center cap Konig Hypergram, and I have Konig Ampliforms.
Oh god.
Let's check it out. First one. They sent 3, but there's no middle yet. Let's keep going. I think they're all 3 stacked in there.
Yeah, there's no center.
I think the center's stacked up in this bag.
Oh, there. Okay.
See them in there?
Did you get 3 extra hex keys too?
I think so. Okay, baby, there's them all them centers here.
Oh, there we go.
It's like Christmas! Happy Crisis. Merry Christmas. Happy Chrysler. Alright, so we got them all. Let's throw these bad boys on.
Can I point out that these are metal and not plastic?
Metal.
Because like,
Don't
you
give me
buy,
a
like,
kiss, I'll punch you in the mouth.
weird wheels, like if you buy a set of XXRs, these are plastic.
Yeah, these aren't though, because Konig sent them. Now I have 8, just 4 of them are junk. Appreciate it though. Weird, you can tell there's 3 of them that work, that actually thread, and the other 2 are just like for decoration. But you can tell which ones are decoration. They're both the rusty ones. Ow, yeah, hit my hand. Oh. Only the best quality tools at Harbor Freight. Nice little game of keg ball going on over there.
Do that? It's so hot.
The way you do that's hot.
Put it in the comments. Does Willy need spacers?
Yes. Yes.
Yes is the correct answer.
There's only one answer, yes. Put in the comments, is Willie gonna buy spacers?
No.
Can we wide body a Type-S? It gets
Yep.
stripped out. Yeah?
Yep. The Z's running real good now.
You don't have a Z.
The G's running real good now.
There you go. Why is this one stripped? That grinds my gears. Ooh! That one's stripped too. Never seen snow. Highway miles only. Never beat on.
It's alright. Hush.